What's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to IT Insider, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of disk partitions in Windows 11. So, let's get started and make your storage space work smarter for you. First things first, hit that Start button and type in Disk Management. You'll see Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions pop up. Click on that bad boy. Alright, here we are in Disk Management. You'll see all your drives listed here. Now, before we go any further, make sure you've got some unallocated space on your drive. If not, don't worry. We'll create some. Find the drive you want to shrink. Right-click on it, and select Shrink Volume. Enter the amount of space you want to shrink in megabytes. Remember, 1 gigabyte equals 1024 megabytes. Click Shrink. And voila! We've got unallocated space. Now, let's turn this unallocated space into a new partition. Right-click on the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. This handy wizard will guide you through the process. Click Next, specify the volume size, click Next again, assign a drive letter, and yep, you guessed it, click Next. Now, format the partition. You can leave the file system as NTFS, give it a name, maybe something cool like Extra Storage, and click Next, then Finish. Boom! You've just created a new partition on your Windows 11 machine. High five! Wasn't that easy? If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to IT Insider, and ring that bell icon so you never miss out on our tech tips and tricks. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay techy!